Thursday the 3rd of February. My birthday on the 18th. Basically this is an update on the new Mini 4x4 or big rig or sleeper cab truck, whatever it is. But I've decided to get them all out and get a picture because that's legal on the road. That's all legal, the V4 Mini convertible 3-wheeler. Under the new V6 Mini mouse rod, Commodore powered, Holden powered Mini stretched retro will be on the road today. It's certified today and it'll be on the road today. The Hayabusa is still going like a rat out of hell. 202 horsepower K8 Hayabusa in a widened, lowered, lengthened Mini with a Skyline back axle. And this is what we're up to really. This is the update on the new project. Because I've been waiting 3.5 months for the certification for this one here, you get bored when you got nothing to do, so this is the new toys. So basically we've almost finished building the sleeper cab. In fact, I'm going to get the glass cut next week. Got the front sills on the bonnet. I'm going to change that front seam a bit, and I'm stuck for a bonnet to weld onto here to lengthen this front bonnet. There will be enough room in the back for me to lie across there in case I want to sleep. I still haven't made my new back panel that I cocked up yet, but I'll get onto that next week because I'm busy this week. So problem is I'll probably be able to do another 2 weeks on this and even get it all primed and shaped up if I buy a bonnet, and then I'm stuck for a chassis. I can't do the front guards until I know the wheelbase width of the front, because I'd like to get the whole cab finished and then think about a chassis, which is going to cost don't know what. If I can't get a 4x4, I might have to rechange the plan and go for a big rig with jewels on the back. So if I get a light truck chassis with 16-inch rims on and have jewels on the back end here, if by any chance I get a real long wheelbase one, a huge long wheelbase one, I could possibly put the engine in the back, and if that happens it gives us a whole new outlook of what the hell I can put in. I can put anything I want in then because there's stacks of room. So today the green one finally hits the streets. Watch this space.